Good afternoon, students. Today we will study artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. This topic is very important for your Class 11 Artificial Intelligence syllabus. Let us begin. Sorting items. 3 approaches, students. There are 3 ways to solve problems. First is AI, rule-based approach using if-else logic. Second is machine learning, where the system learns from data. Third is deep learning, where learning happens automatically. Now we will learn one by one. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means machines performing tasks that need human intelligence. But remember, machines do not think, they only calculate. AI helps in decision making, reasoning, and problem solving. What is machine learning? Let me explain. Machine learning is a part of AI. Here, computers learn from data and improve with experience, just like humans learn from practice. There are 3 main types: supervised learning, learning from labeled data; unsupervised learning, finding patterns without labels; reinforcement learning, learning through rewards and penalties. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, correct answers are already given. The system learns to predict outcomes. Examples include classification and regression. Unsupervised learning. Here, there are no labels. The system finds hidden patterns on its own, like grouping similar data. This is called clustering. Reinforcement learning. In this type, an agent learns by interacting with the environment. Good actions give rewards, bad actions give penalties. Over time, it learns the best strategy. What is deep learning? Deep learning is inspired by the human brain. It uses neural networks with multiple layers. It can learn complex patterns automatically. AI to ML to deep learning, students. Remember this hierarchy. AI is the main field. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. ANNs are the core engine of deep learning, modeled on biological neurons. Data flows forward through layers. A node activates only when its threshold is met. Neural networks have 3 parts: input layer, hidden layers, and output layer. More layers mean deeper learning. What makes it deep? If a network has more than 3 layers, it is called a deep neural network. Real-world applications. Deep learning is used in voice assistants, medical diagnosis, self-driving cars, and translation tools. These are real-life examples you see every day. ML versus deep learning. Machine learning works well with smaller data. Deep learning needs large data and more power, but gives highly accurate results. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence where systems learn from data, but here we need to guide the system by selecting important features. It works well even with a smaller amount of data. On the other hand, deep learning is an advanced form of machine learning. It uses neural networks and can learn automatically from raw data without much human intervention. However, it requires a large amount of data and more computing power. So students, remember this simple point. Machine learning needs human guidance, whereas deep learning works more independently, just like the human brain. Now we are going to do an interesting activity. Please look at the examples given on the screen carefully. Your task is to identify whether each example belongs to AI, machine learning, or deep learning. Do not hurry. Take a moment and think logically. Let us go through them one by one. First, a robot vacuum cleaning your room. This is artificial intelligence because it performs an intelligent task using predefined rules. Second, a spam filter that learns from user reports. This is machine learning because it improves over time using data. Third, Google Photos recognizing faces. This is deep learning as it uses complex neural networks for image recognition. Fourth, a chatbot giving fixed replies based on keywords. This is again AI but basic because it does not learn, it only follows rules. Fifth, Netflix recommending movies. This is machine learning as it learns from your viewing habits. And finally, self-driving cars detecting pedestrians. This is deep learning because it processes real-time visual data using advanced neural networks. So, students, the key idea is to understand how the system works, whether it is rule-based, learning from data, or learning automatically. Let us revise. AI performs intelligent tasks, machine learning learns from data, deep learning learns automatically using neural networks. Ending, thank you students. We will continue this topic in the next class.